It's everywhere.
Yeah, it is. This is the front of the Parliament building.
Then
In front of it is all. There are a lot
St.
of
Paul's
trees.
Church up here.
Yeah, that is the St. Paul Church. We just
Being
already
renovated?
saw there. Okay. Let's see.
Part of the Parliament.
The-
Yeah, see,
This is
good
the other side of the Parliament. It's still part of it. Yeah. Yeah.
Going up the hill.
Going up the hill. We're going up the hill.
Past the
Yeah.
embassy.
What is that?
British embassy, that one.
Is that one, the yellow one? Is that the yellow?
Yes.
The yellow building. Ah, that one there. The other side. Okay, sorry.
God's sake, don't have me on there. And all those women in the Philippines will be trying to get me.
Oh my,
What? You mean to laugh?
my God. Okay, this
That's
is
not very nice, is it?
This is most of the
I'll be going,
houses.
wow, look at that haircut.
Look at that. The top of it, it's beautiful.
Beautiful haircut.
Yeah. Stop
I
right.
don't yet, it's too early.
But we're going to Upper Hut and we're going
Well,
to...
no one answered the phone.
Oh
did they?
yeah, so we are going to roll over. How about we're going to drop off to the botanical garden for a while?
No, how about we don't?
Oh, okay.
How about it's bloody wet?
Just only want to take a video for even 1 minute. Is that?
It's a wet.
Oh, just.
How about we go into Wellington? That's not like that car, isn't it? We're looking at. See over here?
This is the whole
That colour.
building. The other part.
Oh, no,
is
that's
the
darker.
Parliament
That's mustard.
building, The Beehive one.
We'll get hold of them tomorrow.
A little bit busy here. The street in Wellington. Cemetery.
Steep.
Okay, now this
Going? Ready?
is going.
Ready? You ready?
What street is this?
It's called Bolton Street. Look at
Bolton Street. Okay. Oh my gosh. The road is too steep. We are going up. This is the part of the Wellington. Oh Jesus.
that. Don't blame Jesus.
I'm not blaming, that's only the expression. Look at this. The very stiff road here in Wellington. We are going up.
That's the top of the Wellington.
This is the top.
of the Botanical Gardens, right?
The top of the botanical garden is part. Oh yeah, I remember it. Yes. Oh, beautiful.
Part.
The part of it.
We want terrace.
Yeah, look at that. It's
Molly day, Molly day.
So we're going down now.
We're going down here.
We're going down there. Down here.
You know where this goes to, don't you?
I don't know, where is it?
Oh, no. Goes down here.
Yeah.
Little horrible accesses. Horrible little access to the houses.
Yeah, it's true.
And this is a cable car.
Oh, that's one with a cable car.
See? Cable car.
Oh yeah, that's a cable car.
Miss it.
Yeah, I think it's, yeah, I did not miss it. Well, I'm going to return the camera. Oh no, I don't get it. So
We're going that way to go to Botanical Gardens properly. That's Victoria University out there.
yeah, just hold on. Oh, it's too much. They are playing the rugby. Okay, that is the building, the old building.